Hello friends, I am going to teach you how to build your own file sharing website. In this course, we will see each and every steps to set up our file sharing website, starting from requirements to customizing our website completely. By using file sharing website, we can upload files and then share it over the internet. For example, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive are some of the most popular file sharing websites. So this is the introduction about our course. See you in the next lecture. In this lecture, we will see what is file sharing website. File sharing or file hosting website are a special type of website which are developed to store files. These files may be multimedia files like image, audio or video file, or document like PDF or text files, or application or softwares like exe or apk files. After storing files, user can share their files on the internet. Let's see some popular file sharing websites. These are Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Box, Mega, and Mediafire. In the next lecture, we will see what are the requirements. In this lecture, we will see what are the requirements for file sharing website. So the first requirement is web hosting. We need a web hosting for building file sharing website. Purchase a good web hosting and make sure that your web hosting has more disk space so that it can store more and more files. The next requirement is domain. We need a domain to access our website. You can use any domain for this purpose. After that, the next requirement is file sharing software or script. After we have web hosting and domain name, the most important thing is file sharing software or script. We will use ProjectSend as our file sharing software. In the next lecture, we will see some details about our file hosting software. In this lecture, we will know about ProjectSend. ProjectSend is a free and open source software that let you upload files and later you can share these files over the internet. It is a self-hosted application, which means that you can install it on your own VPS or web hosting. It is a free, secure, and user-friendly file sharing software. You can download ProjectSend from its official website, that is projectsend.org, or you can find it in my course resource. In the next lecture, we will see how to upload ProjectSend in our web hosting. So I am using a free web hosting to demonstrate you how to build file sharing website. But you must use premium web hosting for hosting a file sharing website. If you want to just practice or test that how to set up file sharing site, then you can use any normal web hosting or a free web hosting. After opening cPanel of your web hosting, go to File Manager and select your domain name and open htdocs folder. Here you have to upload ProjectSend, which you have downloaded from its official website or from the course resource. Alternatively, you can upload ProjectSend using FTP. For this, you need your FTP account details, which is generally available in your web hosting cPanel. Click on Upload Zip and select ProjectSend. Choose options Upload and Unzip and wait till it gets uploaded and unzipped. ProjectSend is uploaded and unzipped. In the next lecture, we will see how to install ProjectSend. In the previous lecture, we have uploaded ProjectSend to our domain directory by using File Manager. In this lecture, we will see how to install ProjectSend. So open the URL where you have uploaded ProjectSend. In my case, my URL is narendradivedi.xyz. So this is ProjectSend installation options, and here we need to enter database details that are host, database name, username and password. Here we can set maximum upload file size and it is 2 GB by default, and there is some check about file and directory that they are writable or not, and this is system information of our web hosting. So we can create database by using phpMyAdmin, or you can open cPanel and go to MySQL database. Here enter database name. For example, I am entering database name as file and click on create database. So our database is created and these are the details. So copy these details and enter in ProjectSend installation page. So copy host name and enter in host field. Copy database name and enter in database name field, and copy username and enter it in username field, and enter your password. Now click on check button and wait. So all informations are correct. Go down and click on write config file. So our config file is written successfully. Now click on continue to installation. So here we have to enter basic system options like site name, administrator details like name, email address, login username and password. So let me enter these. After entering all the details, click on install button. So ProjectSend is installed successfully. Click on login button and it will open the home page where we need to enter our username and password. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to install ProjectSend. So let's continue. Open the URL and you will see a login page. Enter username or email and its password. So this is the dashboard of our file sharing website. This is some statics of our website and recent activities and news of ProjectSend along with system information of our web hosting. From this section we can manage files and create categories. Here we can add and manage client, and from here we can create and manage client groups. We can use this option to manage and create system user, means administrators. This option is for template. So let's see. 3 templates are there. The default one is selected and 2 more templates are there, but they will only show images and we do not want to show only images. So my suggestion is to keep the default template activated. And there are some more options about this site, and this is the email templates which we can manage later. And there are some tools like we can test email configuration and action log of our website. In the next lecture, we will see how to change the logo of our website. In the previous lecture, we have seen that how to log in our file sharing website and discussed some of the sections. In this lecture, we will see how to change the logo which appear on the login page of our file sharing website. So this is the login page of our file sharing website and this is the logo. There are many free websites and software available by using which you can create logo. So I already created a logo. This is a simple logo which I created. So open the dashboard and go to options and click on branding. Click here and choose your logo and click on save options. So the new logo is uploaded. So this is the login page, refresh it and here we get the new logo which we have uploaded. In this lecture, we will change the footer text from our website. So to change the footer text, go to option and click on general options. Here check use custom footer text and enter your text which you want to display in the footer section. For example, I want to show ND file host and click on save option. So our footer text is changed. This footer text will appear on each page of our file sharing website. For example, this is login page and let me refresh it, and after refreshing the footer text appears. If you want to change the site name, you can change it from here and you can change your time zone from here. So I am from India, so I am choosing my time zone as Kolkata. Now click on save options to save the changes. So our time zone is changed and footer is also changed. If you want to add copyright symbol here, then enter and copy semicolon and click on save. So a copyright symbol will appear. In this lecture, we will see what are the file extensions which are allowed to upload and how to add more file extensions. So click on options and go to security. These are the allowed file extensions which we can upload. If you want to add more file extensions, you can add it by writing them here. So I am writing some of the general file extensions which are not allowed like APK, and to separate file extension we have to use comma, APK, exe, dll, mkv, img. You can add more file extensions according to your requirement. After adding file extensions, go down and click on save options. So our options updated successfully and the new file extensions are added. In the previous lecture, we have seen that how to add new file extensions so that files with that extension can be uploaded. This is my Chrome browser where I am logged in, and this is Firefox and I am not logged in here. This is login page and here is a text that this server does not allow self-registrations. If you need an account, please contact server administrator. Means if any user want to register their account, they need to contact administrator. If you want that new users can register themselves, then go to options and click on clients. Now there is an options for new registrations. Clients can register themselves, check this box, and also check auto approve new accounts. Now go down, there is options for files. Clients can upload file and this is checked. Client can delete their own uploaded files, you can check it, and client can set expiration date, also check it. It means that if a user uploaded a file and they want that the file get expired in 2 or 3 days, then they can do this. Click on save options. Our options updated successfully. Now go to Firefox and refresh. Now we got an options that don't have an account, register as a new client. This is the registration form by using which new users can register their account. So I am creating a demo account. Click on create account. So our account is created and we can upload and manage our files. If you want that, there is reCAPTCHA option. When user create their account, then you can enable this. Go to admin panel and in options click on security. Here is an options for reCAPTCHA which will prevent spam registrations. Check use reCAPTCHA and search Google reCAPTCHA. Make sure that you are logged in with your Google account and click on Google reCAPTCHA. Go to V3 admin console and click on plus icon to add a new site. Enter a label so that you can identify your site later. And there are two reCAPTCHA types. Click on reCAPTCHA V2 and click on I am not a robot checkbox. Here enter your domain name, go down and click on accept the reCAPTCHA terms of service and click on submit button. Now copy the site key and paste it in site key text box. Copy secret key and paste it in secret key text box and click on save options. Option updated successfully. Now I am going to test it. This is our Firefox. Log out. Click on register as a new client. So here we get a checkbox of I am not a robot. This is our reCAPTCHA. So I am creating a new account. Click on create account. So the account is created and account has been activated. In the previous lecture, we have seen that how to allow users to register themselves, and we have added Google reCAPTCHA on the registration page. But if you don't want to allow users to create their account by themselves and you want to create some users account manually, for example for your friends, then you can do this by going to clients options and click on add new. Now here you need to fill the information of the client, means the user. So I am filling an account detail for a demo user account. Now here you can specify the maximum upload file size, or if you want to allow them to upload default system limit, that is 2 GB in our case, then set it to 0. Now there are some more options which you can check or uncheck according to your choice. I am unchecking required password change after first login. Now click on add client to create the user account. So the client created successfully. Now I am going to test it in the Firefox browser. So we log in successfully and we can here upload files and manage files. In the previous lecture, we have seen that how to add clients manually. In this lecture, we will see how to manage the clients. So click on clients and click on manage clients option. So we have 3 clients, and if you want to manage this client, check the box here and select any action which you want to perform. For example, we want to delete the client, so select delete options and click on proceed. So the selected clients were deleted. If you want to perform action on all the clients, check the box here. So all the clients will be selected and then you can select your desired action and proceed as you want. In the previous lecture, we have seen that how to add clients manually and how to manage them. In this lecture, we will see how to add system users. So this is our dashboard. Go to system users and click on add new. So fill this form to add a new system user. So I am creating a demo system user. You can create 3 types of system user. First one is system administrator, which means full admin. Second one is account manager, and third one is uploader. If you want to make this user as full administrator, then select these options. Or if you want to make this user as uploader only, then select these options. So I want to give this user full administrator right, so I am selecting system administrator. 0 for the default system limit, that is 2 GB in our case. And I am unchecking required password change after first login and click on add user. User created successfully. Now I am going to test it in my Firefox browser. So our login is successful. If you want to manage system users, click on manage system users and select that user which you want to manage. For example, I want to delete this user. Check this box and choose delete options and click on proceed button. So the selected user were deleted. In this way, we added a new system user and then manage the system user. In the previous lecture, we have seen that how to create system users and how to manage them. In this lecture, we will see how to create categories for files. So go to files and click on categories. So to create a new category, enter the name of the category, and if you want to add description for that category, then enter it in here. For example, I am creating a category for images. Now click on create button. So our category is created. If you want to add more category, you can add it from here. So we have added two categories. If you want to delete a category, you can check that category and from options choose delete and click on proceed. So in this way, you can also delete the category. In this lecture, we will see how to upload files. So make sure that you are logged in. Now click on files and click on upload. Now click on add files and select your file. For example, I am choosing an image and now click on upload files button. This is upload option. If you want that your file get expired after a certain date, then you have to check this box and select your desired date. In this way, the file will expire after that date. But I don't want to expire the file, so I am unchecking it. If you want to assign the file to your clients, then you can select the clients from here. And if you want to add your file in a certain category, then you can select them from here. These are the file categories which we have created in the previous lecture. I am not selecting any category. Now if you want to allow public downloading of this file, means if you want to allow anyone to download this file without login, then check this box. Now click on save button. So the options are saved. To get the download link, click on public button and click here. So the download link is copied successfully. Now I am going to Firefox where I am not logged in and pasting the link. So download page appear. Click on download file and the download completed. In this way we can upload and download file. Let me upload another file. So in this lecture we have seen how to upload and download files. In the previous lecture we have seen that how to upload file and then how to download that file. In this lecture we will see how to manage files. Go to files and click on manage files. Now if you want to edit the file, click on this icon. Here you can modify the upload options and then you have to click on save. For example, I am adding this file to exe category. Now click on save. So file saved correctly. If you want to delete a file, check that file and from options choose delete and click on proceed. So the selected file were deleted. There are many options which you can use according to your choice. In this way you can manage your files. In this lecture we will see how to display advertisement on download page of our file sharing website. So open cPanel of your web hosting and open file manager. Navigate to the domain directory and find download.php file. So this is our download.php file. Now we have to edit it. If you want to display text or written advertisement here, then go down in your download.php file and this is the code for download button. Here add the text which you want to display. I will use paragraph tag which is p tag. Text here and close the p tag and click on save button. Now refresh it. So here we got our text. You can modify it according to your choice. The next advertisement is banner ads. If you want to display banner ads here and here, for this go to download.php file and you need the banner. For example, I have a banner. So this is the banner which I want to display. Copy the link, enter img space src equal to and your image link and click on save. Now refresh the download page and you can see the banner. If you want to add link to the banner, means On clicking this banner, any new link open. For this, add a tag. Enter the link here. For example, I am adding my website link. And if you want that the link will open in new tab, then add an attribute target equal to and in value underscore blank. Save it and refresh. When I click it, in new tab my website will open. To add banner here, go to download.php file, enter center tag and here insert the banner. Now refresh the download link and we get that banner. In the same way, you can add AdSense ads here or any other ads. In this course, we have seen that how to create file sharing website. I really hope that you found this course valuable. Please give me feedback on my course by writing a review and share your experience.